Okinawa, Japan is renowned for its long-lived residents. Their secret lies in a tight-knit community, plant-based diet rich in vegetables, and a strong sense of ikigai, or purpose in life. The Nikkei Peninsula in Costa Rica is a hotspot for longevity. The residents lead a physically active lifestyle, prioritize family and community, maintain a positive outlook, and consume a diet of beans and corn. Sardinia, Italy is home to one of the world's highest concentrations of centenarians. Factors contributing to their longevity include a mountainous terrain, a diet rich in vegetables and sheep's milk, moderate wine consumption, and strong family ties. Loma Linda, California is a hub for Seventh-day Adventists known for their longevity. Their lifestyle choices include vegetarianism, regular exercise, and active community engagement. Hong Kong residents enjoy longevity due to their plant-based Cantonese diet, rich in fruits and vegetables. Traditional medicine practices and healthy lifestyle choices also play a significant role. Iceland's cold climate doesn't deter its residents from living long and healthy lives. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acid from fish, a strong social welfare system, and advanced healthcare contribute to their longevity. Singaporeans embrace culinary diversity, live in public housing, prioritize safety, and enjoy green spaces. The city's emphasis on healthcare and wellness is key to their long life expectancy. The Sichuan province in China boasts long-lived residents thanks to their spicy food, tea drinking, Tai Chi practice, consumption of goji berries, and a mushroom-rich diet. Icaria, Greece is known for the Mediterranean diet, herbal teas, moderate wine consumption, and daily naps, which contribute to the islanders' longevity. Aboriginal tribes that follow a hunter-gatherer lifestyle, consume natural foods, and uphold cultural traditions and rituals tend to have a remarkable rate of longevity. Let's not forget to personalize and adapt the best practices to our personal life.